What is up, everybody? We are here in Alberta. We are heading to Panama City for the bike rally that's going on, Thunder Beach bike rally. And this is the fall version. They do have a spring one we're going to try to attend to next year, but we weren't able to make Daytona, so we're going to do this one here. So let's straddle up and let's head over there and let's go check this out and see what we can find. As we ride over to Panama City, we decided to take the more scenic area through the Gulf Shores area. And as you can see, this is sometimes the better way to go because you can just slow down, enjoy the scenery, and have a nice ride. As we get out of Fort Walton Beach, you approach Destin, and this destination actually has some pretty amazing areas and sights to see, especially Crab Island. This place actually is a very shallow, sandy area, becomes a really big tourist attraction in the summertime. Onto the left-hand side, you really can't see it through the bridge, but it's kind of set up where a whole bunch of boats are out there, different tiki stuff, and all sorts of really cool attractions that you can be out there, and then they got like different vendors and everything that come out. So we are here, Panama City. And this is the official venue that you first come into when you get to Panama City for the first stop that you really should stop at. This is where pretty much all the vendors are, and let's take a look around and see what kind of stuff we can buy. Okay, we've been riding for a while, so we got here to the hotel we're staying for the night. It'd be nice to just kind of not have to worry about trying to drive all the way over here for another 2 hours. I feel right in home with loud music, loud pipes. So let's get checked in. We're here at the beach corner by the sea, and hopefully we have a good surprise for you guys. Let's go check it out. Okay, so heading up to the room. We're on the 4th floor. Hopefully we got a good view. When I booked this, we booked this so that we face the Gulf, and I'm hoping that's the case. 408. So, not too bad, not too shabby. Oh, there was some stuff out of the helmet, but yeah, we'll get to it. Cool. Got yourself a little kitchen here. This is like cool. And of course, this right here makes it all worth it. Check out that view. I think it's worth it. We're gonna cool down for a little bit. We're gonna get something to drink and wait for my wife to get here. And as soon as she does, we're gonna go get something really cool for you guys. Well, it's not for you guys, it's for us, but just wait for it. See you guys in a little bit. Morning. So we are here this morning at our little inn area, and this is what we have. Always kind of nice to wake up to this and treat yourself a little bit. You know, you live life once, so live it to the fullest. And today we're gonna get ready. We're gonna start heading down to some of the venues and some of the stuff out there. See what else we can still check out. Jessica didn't get to see some of the stuff. She showed up a little bit later yesterday. We had dinner, got our tattoos, and pretty much retired for the night. So let's go check it out and let's see what we can find a buyer. Okay, so this is Sunday, last day for the event. It goes on until about 1 o'clock today for the venues. Most of it's just like selling stuff, but we're gonna walk around. We can actually do some recording without getting in trouble with some copyrights. So Jess actually showed up a little bit later last night, and we're gonna see what we can buy for her. We've been looking for a half helmet for her, and there's a whole bunch here, and I showed her some of the purple flowery ones, and I think she likes those ones, so let's check it out. So Jess and I just got home. If you guys have not been to a bike rally, definitely go to a smaller one to see if it's going to be something you like. You know, Biketoberfest is a little bit smaller, but it's a little bit bigger too. If you're looking for something like Thunder Beach, we just went to, that's about 50 to 60,000 bikes that usually show up for that. That's a pretty tame, small one. It is busy. It is a somewhat decent sized one, but Not anything compared to like Biketoberfest, Sturgis, anything like that. So if you guys have never hit one of those up, you definitely want to try to hit it up, and it'll see if it's something that's going to pique your interest. There's all sorts of shopping. There wasn't much shopping today. As we got there, we did pick up a couple things. But yeah, for me, most of my bike building happens here. I didn't really see any parts there that I was looking for that I already don't have, or already have, just not installed yet. So hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let me know, have you guys ever been to a bike rally? And if you have, which bike rallies have you gone to? Which ones are your guys' favorites to go to? Post that down below, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace.